How to hide messages on Discord. If any day you would like to hide your messages on Discord, or if you'd like to send such kind of messages which are very secretive, then just don't worry, as we have got the perfect solution to do that. First of all, you have to launch the Discord application on your mobile device. In order to do that, you can directly search the Discord application on your mobile device by going to the search icon on your mobile device, or you can search the very Discord application manually as well. After you find the Discord application on your mobile device, you have to tap on the very Discord application in order to launch that. After you tap on the very Discord application, you can see that your Discord application has been launched. After that, you have to go to the very option of your server there. After you go to the option of the server, now in order to hide the messages on the Discord server or to send the secretive kind of messages on Discord server, you have to go to the very message section. After that, you have to write the two bars out there. You have to select the two bars writing out there like this. After that, you have to select a small bracket out there. After you find a small bracket out there, you can write any of the messages. For example, I type hello, and after that you have to close the very bracket again, and after that again you have to write the two bars out there after going like this. And when you write the two bars like the very beginning what you had done, and when you write the two bars like this, now you have to send the very message there. And after you send the very message, your very message is sent in a very secretive manner or a hidden manner. So this is the way on how you can hide your message on the Discord. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.